Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review a story widget. Now, what this story widget will do for you? I hope you are very familiar about the story of Facebook or Instagram. That means in Facebook or in Instagram, you can upload a story or my day. And here in website, see, if you want to also upload a story widget, or if you want to upload a story on your website, then this story widget tool is for you. See, I have already installed it on my website, and see, here are the stories. So if you want to show a story on your website, then you can continue with me. See, these are the story, these are the type of story. This type of story, if you want to add on your website, then you can get this story widget lifetime deal from AppSumo, and you can continue with me on this review so that you can get overall idea about this tool. So in this video, we are going to review a story widget, guys, and it's a tool by which you can share a story on your website, which is very unique idea, guys, because previously I haven't seen any tool that can do these things. So these are the things, guys, and if you see the lifetime deal pricing of story widget, it's only 39 USD for one code, and you can stack more code on stack 1, stack 2, and stack 3. You will receive this amount of widget impression per month. So depending on your widget impression need, you have to get the code. And these are the features that you will get: self-service story builder, quick integration with a simple JS code, track every single event in Google Analytics, story level reporting, customize everything, use in your own language, and schedule stories. So you can also schedule your stories. And they are saying that it will reduce your bounce rate up to 70%, and it will increase the time on your site. So these are the things, guys. Now, if you see the review of this deal, it has gotten 4 reviews, and everyone is giving here 5-star review. So the tool is really good. I think I also have tested the tool previously. I also think that the tool is good. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of story widget, guys, and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is a dashboard of story widget that you will get whenever you will log in or sign up. And see, it's very minimal and it's very easy to use. Here you will see all your stories. See, I have already created one story, my first widget, and another story is sample widget. And if you want to create more widget, just click here, create widget, and here see they have desktop view. See, this is the desktop view and this is the mobile view. Here you have to design it. Let's say I will give the name is for video, and then here is the description, your text here, so you can add any text if you want, and you can format these things in various way. You can bold it, you can italic it, you can change the font size from here, you can align the text, see, and then there have different align option. So I'm aligning it in the center. You can change the story color text, and you can also change the background color text if you want. After that, they have media. In media, you have to upload the background image and thumbnail. So let's say I will upload one media here. You can upload, you can import. Let's say this one is the image. Okay, see, it has been uploaded. And in the thumbnail section, if you want, you can upload different image. But if you do not want, then it will take the by default image that you have been uploaded as your media. So these are the things. See, it will be shown as thumbnail, but it will be shown as media. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have option for media fitting option. So you can fit it as square, as horizontal, and as vertical also. Let's say I'll keep it as vertical. And then they have option for gradient start color. So see here, one color. See, I hope you can see, here is the color. If you change it, see, if I change it, then this gradient start color is changing. So these are things you will get idea more precisely if I keep it square. And then now if I change the color, see, if I change the color, then this gradient start color will be changed. So these are the things. See, this is the gradient start color, and gradient end color is, let's say, this one. So in this way you can change the gradient colors also. After that, they have option for CTA or call to action. See, they have swipe up option. So that means whenever someone will view your story, then if they click on this swipe up, they will be redirected to your expected link or expected destination. Here you can add your domain, you can add any of your affiliate link here, guys. Let's say I'll add www.passivern.com, and then you can design this call to action for mobile and for desktop individually. Let's say in mobile I'll keep here swipe up, you can change if you want, and CTA text color you can change from here, CTA icon color you can change from here, and then they have two types of CTA icon. See, this is one icon and this is another icon. So if you use it, then CTA icon color must have to change, I think. Okay, let's say this is the color. So these are the things, guys. You can design these things in this way. But in my case, I'm keeping this one. After that, they have option for duration. That means with how much duration this story will be loaded on your website. Let's say I'll select 10 seconds. That means whenever someone will open this story, he will view this story with 10-second duration. These are the things. After that, they have a schedule option. You can schedule the story view. Let's say I want to schedule this story view from this time to this day. In this way you can schedule your story views. That's amazing, guys. And then they have status, you can active it or inactive it, and you can expand the title also. See, if I click here expand, then it will be expanded. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. Now here if I just click here on this copy button, then it will be copied. See, it has been copied. Now you can change anything you if you want from here. I hope you get idea, guys. Now why you should do that? If you go to my website, see, there I have been added 5 widget. See, 1 2 3 4 5. So in this way, if you want to add more than one widget, then you have to add here these things side by side, and you can drag and drop these things anywhere you can place. Also, if you click a new, it will be added. I hope you get idea, guys. And if you do not want to add here any image, then it's okay. You can also add here only text. Only text you can add here. I hope you get idea, guys. And then they have option for widget. See, your widget will be shown like that. And here give the name of your widget. Let's say the widget name is first video widget. And then here you can change the colors of your widget. You can change animation, cycle animation, and translation animation you can give here. And then they have placement, so you can also set a placement where you want to place them. If you want to place them fixed top, then select it. If you want to place them inline, fixed bottom, custom, you can also place it in a custom place. But in this case you have to give here id. And if you are little bit familiar with HTML and CSS class id, then I hope you get what is this id. And if you are not familiar, then just you have to contact to your developer, then your developer will send you one id, and this id you have to basically insert here. These are the things, but in my case I'm keeping it in fixed top. And then see, they have size. You can increase the size, you can decrease the size also from here. Let's say I'll keep here this one. And then they have schedule option. Similarly, you can schedule these things here. And see, these are the views for desktop, these are the views for mobile. These are the things, guys. After that, there have option for targeting. You can target a specific device. Let's say you want to show this widget only on mobile, you do not want to show this widget on desktop. For desktop you have different widget, so you can just select it mobile, then it will be shown only to the mobile users. But in my case, I want to keep it in mobile plus desktop in both cases. Also, you can target operating system. Let's say you want to show this widget only to the Android user, not at the iOS user, then you have to select only Android. But if you want to show these things to both users, then you have to select this Android plus iOS. After that, they have option for where should this widget appear. So you can target a specific web page also. Let's say you do not want to show this widget on this home page, you want to show this widget on this guide page or any of other page that have on your website. So you can show this widget in a specific web page of your website. See, include, they have contents or exact match option, and then here you have to give the keyword that it will contents, and here you can add as many condition as you want. You can delete these things from here, and then they have option for exclude also, and you can exclude any web page where you do not want to show this widget also from here. I hope you get idea, guys. In my case, I'm not doing these things because I want to show this widget on all of my website, that's why. So these are the things, guys. After that, they have Google Analytics, so you can also add Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager here, and see there have the step by step instruction how you should add it. You can select it, and then you can add it to your Google Analytics, and then you can track the people who have been visited to your story. In my case, I'm not doing it right now, but in your case, if you need, definitely it will be needed to you, because it's very important to track your visitors. So you have to just visit to this URL, and then you will get the step by step instruction how you can do this, guys. In my case, I'm not doing these things right now, but if you think you need a video to show how you can set up your tracking in Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager for this story widget, then you can comment below, and definitely I will create a separate video for this. So these are the things, guys. After doing everything and after setting up everything, just click here save. Now it will be saved. Now you have to insert this widget on your website, right? So it's very easy. You have to just copy this small piece of code, and then you have to just paste it on the back end of your website. You can do it in various ways. There are plugin in case of WordPress, insert header footer, and you have to use this plugin, and in the body section you have to just paste this small piece of code. I have already done it, guys. And then see here, whenever you will do it, you will see this widget here. So these are the things, guys. I have already installed it. If I go to the dashboard of this story widget, see here are the widgets, so that means all your widgets will be available here. And then here you can edit the widget, you can see all the statistics of your widget, you can get the embedded code here, and then they have option to share. You can also share it. In my case, I have embedded this one. If you want to embed anyone, just click here get code, and then copy the code and paste it on the back end of your website, and then it will be added to your website. And see, if I visit to my website from another browser, let me open it in incognito window. See, here are the stories, and if anyone click here, then they will show this story. These are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And if they just click here learn more, then they will be redirected to your expected URL or to your expected destination. These are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And if you think, guys, you need this type of story making tool for your website, then you can get this story widget lifetime deal from AppSumo. And another thing now I want to show you, you can also get the statistics. See, if I just click here statistics, then it will redirect you to the statistics section, and from here you can see all the detailed statistics. See, this story viewed by date, and here total this amount of people has viewed this story, and total click it has gotten this amount. And here have the device segmentation. See, 89% people has viewed this story from mobile, and 9% from desktop, and 2% from tablet. And then here you will get the more detail. See, story impression this amount, story view this amount, click this amount, then CTR 19.624%, engagement rate 27%, average watch time 4.3 second or 4.36 second, and reach this amount. And if you are not sure what this means, then just click here on this I button, then you will see what this term means. So these are the things, guys. After that, if you scroll down here, you will see all your story view and all your story statistics individually. See, this story has been viewed 249 times, and it has gotten 141 click. This is its CTR percentage. This is average watch time, then this is direct open time, and this is next option. That means 101 people has been clicked on the next button from this widget, and this is previous and pause, so exit. So every type of statistics you can get basically from here. And if you delete any widget, then all your deleted statistics will also be available here. See, there have a lot of widgets that I have been deleted. And then they have countries, so you can also see country wise segmentation of your statistics from here. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about the statistics feature of this story widget tool. Now if I go to the analytics section again, see there I have analytics. Here you can change the analytics. Let's say this is the analytics for sample widget. Let's say you want to see the analytics for the first video widget that I have been created right now, and here everything will be 0. Why? Because I just created it. These are the things, guys. And then here I have the date option. So if I again go to the sample widget, and then from here let it be load, and then from here if I select last 30 days, or if I select lifetime, then you will see the lifetime statistics for this widget. And they're saying something wrong, but you can see these things. I hope you get idea, guys. And if anyone share any widget with you, they will be shown here in this shared with me section. But in my case, I don't have any widget that anyone have shared with me, that's why it's empty. And how you can share your widget to others, let me go to the my widget section. See, they have share option, and from here just invite the people, or insert the people with whom you want to share your widget, and then he will get the widget in his dashboard. I hope you get idea, guys, about this story widget tool. And if you think, guys, you need this type of story widget for your website, for your business, or for your personal growth, then you can get this story widget lifetime deal from AppSumo. It's only 39 USD, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on story widget lifetime deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.